I'm about to do an oil change on my 2022 Toyota Tundra V6 twin turbo. I just cleaned my drain pan out with brake cleaner. I'm gonna put this absorbent pad in here to kind of filter and catch what comes out of the oil. I've got like 58,700 miles on it. I've been changing the oil every 5,000 to 6,000 with full synthetic 020. I may switch it up to 530 full synthetic, we'll see. But here we go. 14 ratchet. Okay, that's going there. We'll catch some here. Keep that off to the side. Put that up on the rack here. It's puddling up. I've got right at 5,000 miles on this oil. Like I said, I've been running full synthetic 020. Looks okay so far. We'll see how it drains out through this absorbent pad. See if I catch any particles. I mean, obviously some of this is going past the pad, which is fine. I don't expect it to catch it all. I just want to catch the majority of it. It'll filter through. It'll take a while for it to go through that pad, so we'll see what happens. So far, I haven't had any issues, any major problems, no codes. So we'll see here. So, oops. Thin oil and it's still taking that long. So far, I don't see anything concerning. All right, I'm gonna spray the pan here with some brake cleaner. Get a clean area. So I know I don't have anything on the pan. Right there. Then this portion that I captured when I was draining in the middle of the stream, I'm gonna pour it. See, it looks good. Towards the bottom of it. Some air bubbles. Maybe one flake right there. Oh, that was a, well, no, it's not. Yeah, it's one piece. One little flake. You can see it. It's moving still. So one little sliver out of that bit. Is that air? I mean, the theory is if there's one, there's more. But I don't know. Maybe it's not metal. Trying to get my camera to focus on it. Let's see if I can get it to stick to my glove. Okay, so I cleaned this container out again, some brake clean. It is stained a little yellow because I've used it for oil many times, but it's clean. Oh shit. It's clean on the inside, dirty on the outside. I'll wipe that up here. Okay, container's clean. I'm going to take the filter off. I'm not going to catch which comes out of the little funnel that they have on there, because there could be some dirt and debris and I don't want to catch that. So I'm going to take the filter off, try to get it off as quickly as possible, and then I'm going to dump what's in the filter into this container and we'll take a look. Okay, so I have my filter, still pretty full. Yes, I've been using Toyota filters since day one. Let's go ahead and dump it in here. Yes, the best way to do this is to open up the filter and go through the pleats and look for debris. I'm not going to do that. If I don't see any glitter, any swirling, or any indication in the oil, then so be it. And even if I do, I mean, what is it going to change? I have a recall on the motor, so I mean, I don't want to take it in. I don't want them changing it, especially if it's running fine and I'm not creating any issues. So some bubbles in there, but I don't see any metal. You know, it's hard because some of this stuff that I'm seeing could be from dirt from underneath the vehicle, could be, let's take a look. See, it's a clean spot right here. A lot of times people see bubbles and they think it's a metal reflection, and it's not. Is that a bubble or is that a flake right here? No, it could be a flake. Something very minuscule. Is that an imperfection in my pan? See, that's the other thing. Yeah, I think it's an imperfection in my pan. This right here. Now there's very fine, glitter here. That's what it looks like. Going back with a Toyota filter, whether it be a Wix XP or Toyota, Amsoil, K&N, ProTech by Wix, I don't know. I mean, I really would like to think Denso and Toyota make a good filter. They come pre-lubed on the O-ring already, so they have plastic little sleeve over the end of it, so I feel like it's less likely to get cardboard or contaminants in it after it's manufactured. So I'm getting it all over myself. Watching it, not my camera, damn it. Or watching my camera, not it. Okay, good enough. Another short clip of my 22 Tundra twin turbo V6. I just went ahead and recorded this clip. It's been running for, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. So it's definitely up to operating temp. It is cold outside. It's only 37 degrees. So engine oil temp is 134, whereas I would expect it much higher in the summertime or in warmer environments. And as you'll see, it's, you know, I'm doing a video of it idling here and then holding the RPM steady close to 2000 RPM. I find it very interesting that the oil pressure will fluctuate at idle. To me, between 6 psi and 13, and that's pretty significant. It's low pressure than I would expect, especially I just changed the oil today. But I've got it at idle right now, and you can see, 9 psi, but it's fluctuating, and the RPM is fluctuating as well, but not much. It looks like at 1400 RPMs, I'm about 28 psi. The oil temperature is only at 122. It's cold outside. It is right at 37 degrees right now. Engine is up to operating temperature, or right at operating temperature. It keeps going up to 195, 198 and coming back down. I'm about to stop. I'm driving the vehicle right now. So at idle speed, we are right around 10 to 12 psi. It will vary up to 13 to 15. Ooh, 7.7. That seems a little low. Gosh. 6 psi. I saw that too. So why? Is it an oil pump problem? Like, what's going on? And why the variance?